Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. And today we have what I would like to call a delight for the audiophiles. I'm a big fan of earbuds. I almost use 4 to 5 charges a day of if not more. So I've got 2 sets of them and I'm always glad to receive more. One, they're just earbuds are my favorite things, when it comes to any audio things because of the mobile usage that I have and the content I like to have privacy when I'm watching something, not bothering anyone, perfect thing. And I love to try all of them as many as I get. And today I have something amazing for you as well. And this is for our brand, which has been making a lot of ripples in the industry when it comes to various technology products. And today we have with us the Switch TruBuds Play. Now they've just launched it from the packings. So let's start with finding out what's inside the box and tell you all about it. But before I do that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there as well. We are there on Instagram and TikTok, and we can definitely use your love there. The handle is, of course, at GreatLobbyist, and we're also there on the web, www.greatlobbyist.com, and do check us out there as well. So getting straight on to business, Switch TruBuds Play. Now these are designed for gamers. Now these are gaming true wireless earbuds. So looking at the box, beautiful looking box. As you can see, it's got this really chic shape that they've given to the case as well. We're going to find out everything about it. Otherwise, on the box, we've got some basic information about that and some beautiful visuals as well. So we're going to find out what's inside. So let's start with opening it. And as we open it, beautiful. Let me just show you once again in the other angle as well. Look at this. They just look amazing. These are amazing. And inside the box, where's my favorite yellow color? Voila. Earbuds straight out. Look at the design. I mean, believe me, it is just amazing. So taking these out, they look amazing. And other side as well, quite nicely packed up. Beautiful. And my favorite part, look at the design of this case. Wow, they have just done themselves out. Gives you that proper gaming feel that you really like to have. Let's put them inside. So I believe, yes, so that we can charge them a little bit and use them so that I can tell you how it is. Beautiful, beautiful looking case. It's got this really cat eye kind of a finish. The moment you lift them open, the green cat eyes lit up and it goes into the pairing mode. And the overall shape of this case is very, very unique. And other side of the box is typical, I think, a Type-C cable and some additional silicon buds, earbuds, so that you can choose the one which fits your style and size as well. Some extra silicon buds and the USB Type-C cable. Brilliant. So great looking stuff so far. The packaging is beautiful and the product design is amazing. Lovely. These are things that I like to keep my eyes on all the time. You see, they start blinking green. That's the fluorescent green color they've given it. It gives it that extra kick. The style, when you carry it, the design looks definitely bound to raise some questions on where did you get these from, and Switch does some great work there. We've done some of the Switch products as well. Do check them out on our YouTube channel, and if you subscribe and get a notification icon, you'll get all the notifications as well when we upload a new video. So great design. I mean, from the earbuds perspective, as I look at the earpieces themselves, very ergonomic. I think they're going to give a great comfortable feeling. Let me put them on. Wow. So as you see, I'm shaking my head and it is staying all there. So great design, great comfort, and it's got this cool gaming style. It gives you that gaming feeling. It's so when you talk about gaming, audio devices, it's all about delay. It's all about latency. So this has got ultra low audio latency, which means it built to stay synced with your game. So when you're having in-game communications or listening to music, you can be sure that it is going to be as you are saying it, and there is going to be no delay at all. So here we're talking about 65 milliseconds of audio latency, which is pretty low. It's got, the design has been optimized for gaming. For me, the design takes it away from me. I mean, this is a clear winner when it comes to the design. It's got great microphones for call and in-game communications as well. So that we will show you. If you look at it here, you got 3 microphones here, and then you got 1 here as well. You can understand the quality that thought of quality that has gone into it, and you can 24 hours of playtime, which means 6 hours of. But again, when I just split it up, it's got 6 hours of music, 5 hours of calls, and 24 hours combined with the case. So that's one charge, go for it. And it's got a 50 mAh battery. It's got a 400 mAh charge with the charging case, Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.0, latest IP54 dust resistant, intuitive touch controls, and the touch panel I'm zooming is on the screen. As I touched it, you see it lights up. So all the touch and all the things that you need. It's got the music mode and the gaming mode as well, along with active noise cancellation. This is a great looking product. I think I am moving on to these starting right away. So far, when product is designed well and thought goes into it, I am quite sure. We did a sound device from Switch a few weeks back. Check it out and you will know the kind of quality we're talking about. So guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and this is a beautiful piece of hardware which is Switch TruBuds Play, and this should be a must-have for all the amateur and semi-professional gamers. I think this is a great piece of hardware. So, signing off, Great Lobbyist, keep yourself safe, peace.